In this video, we'll guide you through creating and managing an employee account in the Pivotstring admin dashboard. Navigate to the Account section and select Employees. Here, you'll see a list of existing employee accounts. To create a new employee account, click the Create button. Next, fill in the required details. First name, last name, email address. Set a password, which can be your choice or system generated. Select the gender, male or female. Optionally, enter a mobile number. Choose the employee status, active, pending, or rejected. Select a role, custom, advertiser manager, affiliate manager, operational manager, accountant, or super admin. Choose a social media platform, Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, or Teams, and enter the corresponding social media ID. Once all details are entered, click the Save Changes button. Your new employee account created successfully. To manage permissions, assign individual permissions for the employee or select a predefined role from the drop-down menu, then click Save Changes. The permissions will be successfully assigned to the employee. Thank you for watching.